Are you looking for a way to get involved in the cryptocurrency market? We have an incredible community of crypto traders who share their knowledge and experience with each other. You can learn from them, ask questions, and even trade alongside them. It's all about sharing information so we can grow our portfolios together. This isn't just another chat room where people talk about random crypto or post memes. It's a place where real investors come together to discuss strategies, chart patterns, technical analysis, current events in the markets, and more. Cryptocurrency is the hottest topic these days, and Hive Mind Trading Tribe understands that. The Hive Mind is an online community where traders of all levels can come together to learn about cryptocurrency trading, share their own insights, and grow in their trading with like-minded individuals. The Hive Mind offers Bitcoin market analysis by experts as well as education on how to execute trades through forums, chat rooms, webinars, courses, and much, much more. You may ask yourself, why are they successful with crypto? Well, let me tell you, we have over 8 years of experience trading with traditional stocks and over 5 years of experience trading with crypto. We are a tribe of traders that leverage collective and swarm intelligence to analyze and execute in crypto markets. Those that put in the work will learn how to be a successful investor and or trader in the cryptocurrency market. Those that are successful in our Hive Mind are active and engaging. They ask questions, whether it is the right or wrong question. Those that put in the work will see results generally within 90 days or even sooner, depends on how much work you put in. Crypto is a marathon and not a sprint. You're not going to get rich quick. It takes time. The market can stay irrational longer than you can stay solvent. So you need to latch on to a trading tribe in order to be able to stay ahead of the market. If you believe that crypto is a get rich quick scheme, this tribe is not the right fit for you. We teach realistic probabilities based on proven analytics with our Hive Mind intelligence. If you are ready to step up and take your crypto journey serious, be the first in line as soon as we open up availability. We have limited access because we value our tribe and want everyone new to get significant value out of our community, and we want to pour time into those and allow them to be successful. We cannot achieve this if we push for high intake numbers in a short period of time. As we take on new tribe members, our prices will surely go up. The price you join at today most likely won't be the same price as next week. That is a fact. Once you're in a subscription, you're locked in at that price for the life of your subscription. We are always finding value to add to our community in new and innovative ways. If you are pumped about beginning or advancing your crypto knowledge and skills, stay tuned. Follow HiveMindTrading.crypto on Instagram and be ready for when this tribe opens up. You don't want to be the 36th person and be mad that you missed out. This group, we do not chase clout. We chase profits. We are not a team that values our strategy on clout. We measure our effectiveness through realized profits. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Crypto is going to take off with or without you. The next bull run is going to happen. Make sure you join a winning team. Stay tuned. The time to take action is now. The link to our Hive Mind Trading Tribe is now open. We are only accepting 35 new intermediate or expert traders that are going to be of high value to our Discord. Remember that the price that you get today will not be the same price that you get tomorrow. We're going to lock you in at this rate for the life of your subscription. Once these 35 slots are gone, price goes up. I'm telling you now, you want to jump on this today. Do not loaf. Check out our